You gotta hit them with the room. Shambles. Yeah. Hey guys, Awkjellybean here. So I'm going to an anime convention today, and as you can tell, I'm going to be doing Trafalgar Law from One Piece cosplay. I went to the anime convention yesterday. It was actually my first time actually going to one. So it was a lot. Like a lot was going on. And I saw a lot of Law cosplays. I told my friend I didn't know he was like that popular. I'm not caught up with One Piece, so any of you watching, if you like actually watch One Piece, like I'm not caught up. I just reached Whole Cake Island, and I don't know how many years ago that was updated. So I know they're past like 1,000 episodes right now. So I was like, I don't know how relevant Law is. So I wasn't expecting so many costumes. Like even the little kids like were in little Law costumes. So yeah, but I'm about to start doing his tattoos. That's what I'm gonna start off with. It is like early. They're doing a photo shoot for the One Piece characters at the anime convention. So we got to be there for that. It'll be at 2 p.m. and it is currently 8:10. But I'll show you guys my process. So I'll just talk about like what happened yesterday as I'm doing this. I was gonna freestyle with the body marker, but I think I'll use one of my lip pencils because they're easy to erase. So I'm just gonna do like, I guess, a faint outline or whatever. And I have my reference on my tablet. But anyways, so yeah, yesterday was like it was a crazy time. As far as first we get to the what do you call it, the convention, and it's being held at like a hotel. So they stopped everyone that was about there and was like, hey, are you there for like the hotel, like to check in, or are you there for the convention? We're like, convention. And they were like, okay, so we don't have any parking, so you guys are gonna have to park at the airport. And we're just like, okay, interesting. This was not, part of our plans, because I'm just like, the airport sounds far away. Like, like, I'm just like, are we close to the airport? Like, what do you mean? Like, maybe we heard them wrong. They actually had like a shuttle from the airport to the hotel, which was nice. So we walk in. We don't know where the registration is, and I was low-key stressed because I was like, I hope people don't think I'm just trying to walk in without getting checked, because you have a badge that you have to. This is too clean. Okay, never mind. So we go get our badges, and they have like 2 vendors rooms, and they have different like panels and stuff. Oh yeah, my friend, he was dressed as Jotaro from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. But yeah, we just walked around, and he's been to several like anime conventions, so he knew how it was. I was still admiring everything, and I didn't know specifically what to buy. I had in mind what I wanted, but I didn't know if they sold that at anime conventions. But anyways, my friend is getting all the stuff that he likes. So he got a sword, a bleach hoodie or so. It was nice. So he's telling me that whenever you go to conventions, you might want to pick up something that you really like immediately, because there's no guarantee that it'll still be there. And I'm just like, okay, sure. So but I like to see everything first before I start spending money. I don't want to buy something, run out of money, and then see something else better that I wanted. So I stumbled across this Tengen Usui from Demon Slayer. That's my man's. I stumbled across a figurine, and I was like, I'll come back, because I just want to make sure I'm not spending money on something I don't want severely. So we come back there maybe like an hour later, and and looking back, I'm like, that was a long time. But anyways, I go over there and I don't see him in the display anymore, and I'm just like, what's going on here? Like, he was right here. I saw him like an hour ago. He was right here. Someone got their grubby little paws on my man's. Like, I was so mad. I didn't think I would be that bothered, but like that really hurt because I really wanted him. Like, I was gonna come back for him and he wasn't there. It still hurts. So like I was actually bummed for a lot of that time. After that, I was just like, nothing even matters anymore. Why am I even here? But I did get some other stuff. I got some like really nice charcoal paint, not charcoal paintings, charcoal drawings from Arcane. I got Vi and Jinx. There was a lot of Jinx cosplays too. Okay, so like I have to fix this because it's different. It's not right. So let me fix this real quick. Okay, so there's little like different designs on the outer ring of the heart, and I think I will actually focus on that after I do the main part. So I'm gonna start using the body marker. Okay, so the eyeliner was a lifesaver. The way it glides, of course it's eyeliner. In case anyone wants to use this, it's e.l.f. Expert Liquid Eyeliner. They gave me 2. Well, they didn't give me 2, but it came 2 in a pack. So I guess this one will be used for my cosplay stuff. But I'm really loving how this is looking. Like, let me shine the light a bit more. Like, it is giving. Like, that looks like the tattoo. So I'm gonna do the rest. I gotta wash all this stuff off from that crappy body marker. So yeah, I'm not gonna show like the hand ones. I'll just show you guys the aftermath, the hand tattoos. Alright, so I have finished the hand tattoos. Everything looks a little bit smeared because of the what do you call it, lip liner. So here's a closer look. I did use a pen first to write the letters, and then I followed up with the eyeliner again, which was difficult because the letters are like really thin, so I had to like lock in and make sure like there was no shaking and stuff. Especially it was so weird to make these because like your skin stretches and stuff, so like they're not perfectly like, I guess, straight, like, I don't know, symmetrical, but that's how skin is. So I'm gonna do some makeup, not anything fancy. I feel like if Law was a girl, which I have heard that he is for a second later in the anime, but I feel like if he was a girl, he wouldn't be doing too much. So I'm just gonna do his like you call it, like eyeliner on the waterline, because he has dark something. His eyes are dark on the bottom. So that's what I'm gonna do with an eye pencil. So yeah, so I'm just gonna add like a really light foundation. It's actually, I think, medium coverage, but I'm just gonna like put a light, I guess, amount. I just want my face a little bit smooth. I mean, my face is already smooth, but for picture purposes. So let me put that on. Okay, so I think that's good enough. You can barely tell that it's even on, which is the way that I like it. So that's on. I low-key just wanted to try out my new concealer that I got, because the one I got originally makes me look ashy and sort of dead. So yeah. And I'm gonna brush my eyebrows into place with this eyebrow glue. Forgot to do before I put on the foundation, but I'm not adding anything to my eyebrows. I think they're thick enough. Okay, so I think the concealer has been sitting enough, so I'm going to blend it. Okay, personally, I think that's blended enough. Well, not fully, but like, now I can use my beauty blender. I love this. I'm gonna use setting powder. Okay, so I think it's looking decent. I know you can't really see the makeup with this crappy lighting, but I think it looks fine so far. I'm gonna add some bronzer. I'm actually having fun putting makeup on this morning, so I will be putting it on. I guess I'll add a little bit of blush too. In all honesty, I can't remember if you put blush on before or after the setting spray, but I guess we'll see. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on the eyeliner pencil. Using this stuff makes my eyes itch all the time, like it tickles my eyelashes, but I'm gonna try my absolute best. Okay, so I put some on. I think I put too much, but I'm gonna smudge it a bit. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I did buy mascara, but as I said before, I don't wear makeup a lot, so I didn't know which one to get. And I did a test run on this makeup a couple days ago, and let's just say it made my eyelashes look like spiders. It did okay for the bottom lashes, but the top ones, they kept clumping and looking too thick. Then I realized I got the one that says false lash effect, and they did look like false lashes. So I'll try putting it on the bottom. I think my eyelashes don't need that much anyways. I was just trying to separate them, but I'll put some on the bottom, like just barely touching them. Okay, that's looking pretty good. I don't know if I'm gonna add any to the top. I feel like I'm just going to maybe brush them with just a regular what do you call it, regular brush with nothing on it. Okay, so now I'm gonna set it and then do my lips and put on the actual clothes. Okay, so low-key, I have already went to the convention and back. It is nighttime. I did not have time to show you guys what I looked like beforehand. I still have on the fit, so I made sure to video before I retire for the night. But I did my lip combo, so I did use a brown lip liner, and I'll list everything that I use in my description below. But I used lip liner and of course some trusty butter glass lipstick, something simple, nothing too fancy. And yeah, so did my makeup. I happen to have gold earrings like already, which Law wears, but he has 2, I believe, on each ear. I don't got two holes in my ears pierced. I only got 1. This came out really good, and I'll show you like the full fit. Don't mind the stuff in the back. I just threw my stuff on the couch to be honest. Of course, you see the hat. You see the hat is made out of like fluffy material, almost like those Sherpa blankets. I really love this hat. It's like great quality. Okay, so this is the fit. So I have crop white t-shirt, and I did do the pants myself. So I use a fabric marker for the pants. It took me maybe an hour and a half. Yeah, it took me an hour and a half because I wanted to make sure the spots were like put in strategically placed areas. I didn't want it to just look like pants with spots. Someone actually did compliment me on the pants today, so I was like, thank you. Like, it took a lot of time. And I had some inspo from Pinterest, of course. But yeah, so got the pants. I have my platform boots that go with everything. And of course, the jacket. So this is from the Dress Rosa arc, the Corazon jacket. Right here. Unfortunately, when I bought the jacket, the small wasn't gonna get here in time. This is an extra small, but because I'm a small person already, you don't even notice. You can see the sleeves are a little shorter, but like it's not too noticeable when I put my arms like this. And like right after I ordered them, like a couple days later, they were sold out on Amazon. I was like, geez, like I just got it under the wire. Let me show you guys the sword I also got from Amazon. Okay, so this is a pretty nice sword. Of course it's not real, but it looks really nice. It's great for like pictures and stuff. Had to hit one of these. This was how I was walking the whole time. Because Law never puts his sword like in a holster usually. The sword did come with a holster that you could wear, and it also came with a stand. So I'm gonna put that on the top of my bed. But anyways, yeah, and comes out. It's a short sword. It's okay for me because, as I said, I'm short, but if you're a taller person, I recommend getting the longer sword, especially for pictures. So it's like half of my height, and I'm 5'2", so use that information as you will. But yeah, so this was my fit. But anyways, that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, this little video, and I hope I have inspired some of you One Piece fans, whoever wants to, you know, cosplay as Law. I hope you use me as inspiration. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.